All looks good. Cables are free. Brake line is not where it belongs. Oh shit. Remember that caliper filled down the side? The lines where it doesn't belong. Could break the brake line off, but that's more work than doing this. This would be number 4. Getting good at this fella. Okay. Didn't have to quite pull it all the way apart, but I'm getting pretty good at it now. Not in there where it belongs. Oh well. Let's see. That's not where I like it. Let's get this one in. Tighten me on the other side just a little bit. I don't think the rubber's going up on top of this shoulders. I could show you. Yeah, do the wheelie. Nice. Okay. This is not the first side, it's a little harder. Put it up in that place. Yep, not in there. There it goes. Tight. All right, now we'll do the other side. Okay, rubber lined up. It's not going together correctly. Binding. Boom. Went in. I put this over that stud and jerked on it, popped up in there the hole where it belongs. This one's in there, the other one was not. So we had that big wash with the rubber on it. We had the shoulder on that stud, it was way down here, bottomed out against the shoulder, not up where it belongs, it popped in. So when I put this on there and jerked it, it popped up, slid all the way in like it's supposed to. That's what that pop noise was. So now it's not binding. Oh, the nuts loose over here too now. There we go. If you just forced it all together, it would have came this one down the road probably. Then everything would have been loose. Okay, we are all good to go now. That looks good. Brake line's where it belongs. Okay. On this side, we've got the belt where it belongs on the bike. Well, it was on the bike before, but it was up here. It's on the bike where it belongs now. Okay. So I'm going to torque that nut down, all this other stuff. Okay. Should be good to go. So I'm going to use power tools and not the old-fashioned way. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is give it a light blip. That's not going on the wall. Comes on. tight. Tight. Got all your power tools though. It's tight. Okay. You want to double check your torques to make sure you don't overdo it. Or in this case, underdo it. We don't care about overdoing. Let's see, we take our torque wrench and see what we got for torque here. It's tight, not moving. Okay, so we got the same 30 pounds lifting power needed. So that hasn't changed. So at least we know it's in the right, proper location. So I'm going to go back and do a couple things on the other side. You can see how power tools go a lot quicker than hand tools. That's why I like power tools. Luke does not like power tools. He likes his battery power tools. I like my tools. I know what they do. Okay, so now I'm going to just put the brake line back over here where it belongs. Clamp it in. Which is this little screw right here. Quarter drive ratchet does it. Good. Come on. Torque the piss out of it. The rest of it looks free. Okay, someone does a speed sensor. Hopefully it didn't get lost. There it is over here. I oiled up the O-ring already. Should go in a little plop like that. That means the O-ring is working. Takes a little short Allen with a little washer on it. Good thing like that. Where's my little Allen at? Somewhere. There it is. Torque on that. Good. Got our double wire went someplace. Let's have it. Here we go. Now I've never moved these, so how they lay goes back on the switch. I don't think it matters, but this is how it came off. Make sure there's no dragging. This time it's underneath the speed sensor. I don't know which way it's supposed to go. Probably doesn't really matter. I think before I did it the other way, but whatever you're going to work on next should be on top. So who knows? I don't know what we're working on next. Okay, this here used to have two wires stuck in here, so I'm guessing this used to be inside of this plug in here. Probably fill out. Probably from all that abuse of motorcycle mechanicking. There we go. Kind of come out together now. Alright, we'll adjust that later, but it's in there at least now. Okay, what else we got to do? We got chrome cap plugs. That has almost no pressure on it. So that means it's probably going to fall out if we don't do something about it. So just bend these out a little bit, get a little tension on them. Hard on your fingers, but it is what it is. You can put a little glue on there so it wouldn't hurt, but at least now it's got some tension on it. This one here went out a little harder like that before, so I'm just going to pry those out just a little bit also. A little bit harder on that one. If he wants to glue them on, he can glue them on. Okay, so stop the clock. How long did that take? That was 4 and 5 times, right? I'll take it again. All right, so there you go. Not too bad. All right, cut.